Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to reset your Home Depot password. Open the website, then click on the option that says My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see a Sign In button. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Now on this page, under the password field, you will see a blue text that says Forgot Your Password. Click on Forgot Your Password. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Now, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering, click on Submit. And now you're signed into your Home Depot account. That's how you reset your Home Depot password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.